on a cruise. Yo, pirate dog, you hanging tan up there?
Our dog, our cat, our raccoon.
Look at this, such a cool little kite surf beach here.
That'd probably be a perfect launch spot, yeah.
Yeah, you could hot launch right off the island. Taking a dinghy ride around this island. Where the cat's parked up behind for the night until the wind shifts, so we can continue on northbound. So we're island hopping.
It's really a couple fireplaces on the.
Nice. So people come out and camp and hang out on this little island. Oh, look at the swells coming into this little. Wow, it's
Weighing
gonna
60
get-
pounds or so.
Look at that, Cody. It's like Waimea Bay coming through, girl. We're coming into Waimea Bay. Whoa, hold on, wild dog. Sailing dog. She said, I'm a sailing pirate dog. I'm a sailing pirate dog. Looks a little shallow right there, Cody. Oh, I want to keep this dry. Once I get around the point. Oh, Cody, you better not go in. Better put that booty in there and stay low.
Here, take your boat up beyond them. It's just so big.
Oh, it breaks.
Right there.
I think we got hot water brewing.
Cat dog. Just dumped my fucking butt in the water, man. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
It wasn't that wet before, but now. Thorough.
Oh boy, we got a little salty on that one. Phil got extra salty. Right it, Coney. Dropping it on the set. Hang 10. It's called riding butter. Look at this. It's called riding butter. Riding butter, Coney. Oh no. Huh. It got shallow.
4 feet to 1 feet.
Oh, I see some bait there. But I wondered if that was a. Oh, something rolled right there. Bet you there's some schnooky around here. There's a log. There's a log. Take out your prop.
Oh, you can relax.
Oh, Kona, you are a nut job. Back to the boat. Back to the boat. The wind shifted a little bit faster. It could keep sailing. But we got a headwind. So we're gonna relax and leave early in the morning. There she is, look at that, tucked up in the islands. Ocean Blues, we're back.
About due for a waxing.
Oh yeah, that's why it's coming out of the water.
You do paint or just wax?
Paint, everything. Time for a little facelift.